In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Drive PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your PDF in Google Drive, bring up the print window, choose the right printer, and get a clean, accurate printout without any guesswork. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Any modern browser will work. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land right in your Drive. If you're prompted to sign in, just continue so you can access your files. Next, locate the PDF you want to print. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top and type the exact file name or just .pdf to narrow things down. If you're not sure where it is, check sections like My Drive or Recent to quickly spot files you've worked with lately. PDFs are usually easy to identify by the distinctive PDF label on the thumbnail or next to the file name. Once you've found it, double-click the PDF to open it. This launches the built-in Google Drive PDF viewer in a new tab or overlay. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct document and page count. You can zoom in or out if you want to review details before printing, and scroll to ensure everything looks the way you expect. Now, look to the top right of the viewer for the print icon. If you don't immediately see it, hover your mouse near the top so the toolbar appears. Click the print icon, and your browser's print dialog will open. This dialog is where you can preview exactly how your PDF will appear on paper. In the print dialog, choose your printer from the destination or printer dropdown. Make sure the correct printer is selected and that it's turned on and connected to your computer or network. Before you print, double-check options like the number of copies, page range if you only need certain pages, color or black and white, and orientation, portrait or landscape, so it matches the document's layout. If there's an option to fit to page or adjust margins, use it to prevent clipping at the edges. The live preview should update as you tweak settings, helping you catch any issues in advance. When everything looks good, click Print. Your PDF will be sent to the selected printer, and you should hear it start within a few seconds. That's all there is to it. Open Drive, find your PDF, open it, click Print, choose your printer, and confirm. Simple, reliable, and done.